Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show how to produce a frequency histogram using SPSS. Okay, let's produce a frequency histogram. Go from Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Now we're going to select Grade Variable, move over to the right side box, and then we're going to produce just a graph. So click on Chart, select the histogram, continue. So we don't want to frequency table in this case, so we uncheck this. So please uncheck unnecessary output and click OK to have frequency histogram. So if you want to change the color, so whenever you want to edit, always double click on the picture, and if you want to change the color, and another window shows up, fill in the border. You can change color if you want to, just lighter color or purple or a different color. Apply, close this window, close the editor. Now you have frequency histogram.